If you've closed a period in Oracle EBS, you know the drill. Today, I'm going to show you how to automate almost 95% of your close investigation with Claude Code. The counting, the chasing, the working out which of 22 orgs is actually blocking you. All of it in one pass, with explanations and how to fix those. No more chasing for answers. The problem is, in Oracle, the system gives you a count of what's stuck, not the cause or the value, and one org at a time. So why Claude Code agents and not something else? There are plenty of reasons to pick Claude Code. My favorite is simple. It works with Excel and Oracle at the same time in the same place I'm already sitting. No export, no download folder, no pasting into a template. It reads the ledger and it writes the sheet. Other reasons are explained also below. A chat model can reason about EBS just fine, but it can't query anything. You're still the one pulling the report and pasting it in. You could build a proper agent instead. I've done that. Define every tool, write the schemas, test it, own it forever. It's months before it does anything useful. And the embedded ERP agents, everyone is talking about ship for Oracle Fusion. If you're running EBS, they're not coming to you. Here's the thing nobody says out loud for building generic AI agents. The hard part of an agent was never the model. It's the loop around it. What to run, reading what came back, spotting it's wrong, trying again. Teams spend months on that, and most of them build it badly. When talking about Claude Code, some of the best AI engineers in the world ship that loop, and I got it the moment you install it. Let's understand how Claude Code works. See, Claude Code is the engine. Everything you're about to see, it's doing the work. I use it from a terminal. My close team uses an app because they shouldn't have to type prompts to close a period. Same engine underneath. Claude Code built that app too in an afternoon. It just didn't hand over the thinking. You ask in plain English. Claude Code plans, calls its tools, and resonates as necessary. Back comes the answer. Let's dive in. Close isn't one team's job. 5 subledgers, 5 people, 5 sets of reports. Ask what to fix first, and you get 5 answers, because none of them can see the other 4. And the order isn't a preference. Inventory sets the accrual that Payables reconciles to, and the ledger can't be right until everything above it is. This is the close crew. 5 agents, 1 per subledger, and they run in the order a close actually has to happen. And the bar across the top is the scope. Vision operations, 1 ledger, 4 operating units, 10 inventory orgs, all open periods. Live EBS, 12 to 14. Nothing here is a copy. So run all 5. While that's going, normally this is where a close week goes. Someone runs the standard reports for each module, gets a count with no reason attached, and starts working exceptions one at a time. There's no way to know which one matters, so you do them all. 55 seconds. And what comes back isn't a longer report. 28 findings, 13 of them blocking. That's the report version, and on its own, it's just a longer list. The number worth looking at is next to it. 15 root causes, 9 blocking. 842 million under review. 28 things to investigate became 9 things to do. And it tells you where the weight is. Inventory, 6 of 12 blocking. Payables, 2 of 4. Receivables, 2 of 7. Fixed assets, 2 of 3. Ledger, 1 of 2. Inventories carrying it, which is usually the case. And it's stage 1, so everything downstream inherits whatever's wrong there. Let's analyze inventory. Here's the first one. Inventory periods were never closed. You can see all other reasons and explanations too. And also the resolve with details. And underneath, the 5 findings that all trace to that one cause. Every one of them carries its evidence count, and you can open the rows and the exact SQL that produced them. Nothing here is asking you to take a number on trust, and it comes out as a workbook. Findings, causes, and an evidence sheet per finding, with the SQL sitting underneath it. Your team fills in owner and status in the file they already work in, sends it back, and it reads the progress in. You can repeat the exact same process for other modules. Everything should be resolved in less than an hour. So, less than an hour instead of a week. But the time isn't really the point. The point is that closing one period backlog makes 3,500 separate investigations stop existing. They were never getting done anyway. And none of it asks you to trust us. Every number came from a query you can read and run again. If you want to see what it finds in yours, give us read-only access to a test instance and we'll send back the pack with your own findings in it. Details on screen. 5 agents, few minutes on a live instance, with all its real problems still in it. 28 findings turned into 9 jobs, each one with a way to solve it. All of it written by Claude Code, against a system it had never seen. If you want to see what it finds in yours, read-only access to a test instance is all we need.